In this lab setup, we are using a brown paper bag cut into strips as an indicator to check for the presence of the macromolecule lipids in Cheetos. We are using water as a control because water contains the elements hydrogen and oxygen, and therefore we should not test positive for any macromolecules. If there are lipids present in Cheetos, then the indicator, which is the brown paper bag, will show brown spots. Again, water is used as the control, and we will see that the water will not test positive for any macromolecules as it only contains the elements hydrogen and oxygen. So I'm going to use a paper towel and dip it into some water, and I'm going to apply some water to my brown paper bag strip here. And then on the other side here where I have my Cheetos, I'm going to use my hand or another piece of towel, and I'm going to press lightly down on the Cheetos. Okay. And we're just going to let that sit here. Okay, so we have water here as our control, and our experimental group is the Cheetos, and we're testing for the presence of the macromolecule lipids. Let's fill in our chart. So the indicator we are using in this lab setup is a brown paper bag. The macromolecule that we're testing for is the lipid. If the test is a negative test for lipids, we will not see any dark spots. If the test is positive for lipids, we will see dark spots. So let's take a look at our lab setup. Here's our control water. I applied water to this side of the paper strip, and I don't see any dark spots there. So water was a good control in this case. No macromolecules present. But over here on the side where the Cheetos are, if I begin to remove some of these Cheetos here, we can see that dark spots have been left over. So in this experiment, Cheetos tested positive for the macromolecule lipids because of the presence of dark spots.